to delete multiple messages on Messenger on Android or iPhone. So let's get started. Deleting multiple messages on Messenger isn't a straightforward process because the deletion process can take a lot of time for clearing unwanted chats. So, in order to delete all of them together, all you have to do is simply tap on the three dashboard option available in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings or gear icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and tap on the report a problem option available there. Then simply continue with this process. Now tap on the include and go to the next page. Here you will get to see a description box and a screenshot option available. Simply type down, "Hey Facebook, I want to delete the multiple messages at the same time on Messenger, so please find me or give me a way to do that." Also, if you want to add screenshots, then you can add it, and after you do so, simply tap on the send option available in the top right corner of your screen. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.